Today's post notification shout out goes out to two beautiful ladies. One, a cup of tea, and two, diamond chin. Make sure y'all go over their channel and subscribe. Let them know that Dekiboo sent you. Hey boos, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dekiboo and I'm back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today I will be unboxing my package from Shop AC. Gang. So guys, if y'all don't know, that's Abby and Capo. Yeah, my tripod and a little light thingy. Yeah, but I'm not used to nothing. Right now you can see some of tired, guys. I'm really tired. I'm drained. That's it. This is a tripod. This is a tripod stand. Oh, and this is what comes with this. Why I bought this is because, like, I had one, you know. Let me show you. Guys, I bought this for $1,000. But I literally get this from them for $500. I buy this for $1,000, thinking it come with the phone holder part. This alone I get, guys. This alone, literally this alone I get. But at least I have this, so that at least I get this. I can put on it as well if my even want to use red. Yeah, I'm a black now and everything good, girl. Let me show you how it go now. So when you want to vlog, you can turn it sideways so, or you want to turn it so. If you anyway you want to position your phone, yeah, go like this. See that? Watch nice. And when you hold up your phone like this, when you have vlog or whatever, yeah, you can do that. Or even have it put on so as a like a phone holder, pan a stand or something. You know them way there? Yeah, and it's flexible, right? Yeah. And also, guys, I have my fill light. Oh God, this is so beautiful. Who are gonna look pretty up on them video? Talk truths. Who are gonna look pretty up on them video? Right true. Alright, so guys, y'all know I'm stay with me and unbox things. I just love this. Look, oh, like the tripod thing. This is the stand, of course. Okay. It's adjustable. No, it can stand up like I want them something here for me. Oh, it is adjustable. Wow. So if you want it taller, look, guys, you click the button, pull it out. You see that? So go back, click it and put it back. So if you want it go down, you click the button, pull it out, right? I have it. That. So if you want it a little taller than how it is, you know, say you just put it taller. But if you want to put it back, you click the button and push it up. Click, push, click, push. Very nice. I can even have it so, well, why I got it so when the phone can't hold, but yeah, the phone cannot hold on it. However, it can be used with the tripod stand. So if you're even making a YouTube video, for all my YouTubers out there, or my bloggers, or people who love the live and love take pictures of themselves and look cute or everything, guys, you need them something here. Them look at something here, them look at devices here, them convenient for all of you. So now I go like this. Go like this. Spin it around, spin it around, spin it around. Ooh, stuck. I'm gonna try it out, show y'all how bright it is and thing. So as I was saying before I even try that, I'm saying like, alright, say for instance you want to make a YouTube video and you realize it don't have a, you know, a local phone holder or anything. What you can do, you purchase these together. They're on sale at Shop AC Gang right now. You can purchase them together, and even if them not on sale, them still affordable. So you can purchase them together, and look at this. Purchase them together. Put this. I say for instance, this is a stand. You put them like this. Right. So you adjust to strip this. Let it get taller. When it's taller now, your phone will be on this and the light will be shining on you. You get what I mean? So yeah, use two of them and you bright as ever. Alright guys, let me show y'all how it looks. So as y'all know, what I'm using right now is my 10-inch ring light. That alone may I use, and the light bulb in the ceiling. Yes, so guys, this is the before I turn on that fill light, and this is the after. Talk shoots. Talk shoot. Oh god. That's something you're not have to do me so bad. That look something you're not have to do me so bad. Y'all see the difference. My look. Okay. And can change. Like, hold on. Can brighten. You see that? Let me show you. See it go down? Yeah. Can dim if you want it dim, look a subtle light and so forth. If you want it look brighter for blind your eyes or whatever, blind the people there, make them see a beautiful face. Watcha. And if you want it for twitch, like, ooh, you're giving me that vibe, man. My ass. Yeah. Alright, that. Comment which one you like. Yes guys, I really like it. I love it. I think I will use this alone for my video then, because would I just can't be bothered. I have that big old light. So you can't, you know, make it tighten up here. So that just like the ring light. Guys, if you can't afford a ring light right now, you know, well, ring light, them expensive, you know, some people sell them very expensive. You can start small scratches, you may start buy some local things that me I do right now. May I purchase what I can purchase right now with my money, what I have, or what I really have. But, you know, just to enhance the quality of my videos and so forth. So guys, I hope you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified when I, Dekiboo, drop a post. Okay? Okay. Oh, and I almost forget, please guys go over my motivational channel and subscribe for your motivation, because everyone needs motivation. Go over my motivational channel and subscribe. That's Dekiboo motivation. That's Dekiboo motivation. That's Dekiboo motivation. That's Dekiboo motivation. Yeah. Sound good. Talk truth. I'm out.